Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at this question right here. So the question reads, make x the subject of the formula. So we have here y is equal to the square root of k squared plus x squared divided by t. So we need to make x the subject of the formula. So I'm going to rewrite what we have. So we have y is equal to, then here we have the square root of k squared plus x squared. Okay, then this should be divided by t. So how can we make x the subject of the formula? So what you are going to do is, when you look at the right hand side, you have a fraction here, and on the left hand side is not a fraction. So we are going to divide this by 1 so that we cross multiply. So y times t, we are going to have t y is equal to, so here we are going to have the square root of k squared plus x squared. So now what are we going to do? So you can notice that we do have our square root in this equation. So we need to get rid of the square root by introducing a square to both sides of the equation, like this. Okay, so that this power 2 and the square root will cancel, and we are going to remain with k squared. Okay, we are going to remain with k squared plus x squared is equal to, so here we are going to have ty in brackets squared. Okay, so now here we want to remain with x squared, so we need to transpose the k squared to the right hand side. So it's a positive, once goes to the right hand side becomes a negative. So here we are going to have x squared is equal to, so here we have ty in brackets squared minus k squared. So what are we going to do from here? So from here we need to get rid of the square on x, the power 2 right here, by introducing a square root. So even this side we can introduce a square root. Okay, so we can have plus or minus here. So these 2 and the square root will cancel. We are going to have x is equal to, so plus or minus, then we are going to have the square root of, so here in brackets we have ty squared, then minus k squared. So this is the answer, meaning that we have made x the subject of the formula. So thank you so much everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.